In this video, you're going to learn how to lead the song What a Beautiful Name by Hillsong Worship with just you and an acoustic guitar. Coming up. Welcome to Advanced Worship Guitar Tutorials. My name is Spencer Cormie from leadingworshipwell.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at the song What a Beautiful Name by Hillsong Worship. If you haven't checked out the cover that I put out of this song yet, you can check it out right here so you know what arrangement you're going to be learning in this video. But other than that, let's get into it. Here we are in the intro / verse 1, and in this video I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I want to try to speed up this process of teaching you these songs, so I'm just going to play through this part. The chords will be right here. Whenever I get to something more advanced, I will slow down and show you how to play it, but for now, this is what the intro and verse 1 sounds like. We'll just hang on this D for the intro, and then into verse 1. You were the Word in the beginning, one with God the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory in creation, now revealed in you are Christ. What a beautiful name it is. That's verse 1, now into chorus number 1. Here we are in chorus number 1, and you might have noticed from previous lessons, if you watched those, which there's a playlist right here to check them out, so check those out there. I have a bunch of songs that I've been teaching you, but you might have noticed in those other tutorials that the way I arrange songs, typically I like to back things off whenever I get to the first chorus and make it really thin, but that's not the case in this song. I feel like this song has a really powerful chorus throughout, so we're going to be playing some pretty standard chords, which sound pretty big. We're still going to be backed off strumming wise on our right hand, but this is how chorus number 1 sounds. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is, the name of Jesus. Into verse number 2. Here we are in verse 2. We're going to start building it up a little bit more, give it a little bit more energy. So this is what it sounds like slowly. You didn't want heaven without us, so Jesus, you brought heaven down. My sin was great, your love was greater. What could separate us now? What a beautiful name it is. Into the next chorus. Here we are in chorus number 2, and it's going to be pretty much identical to the first chorus that we played. We're just going to be strumming a little bit harder with our right hand, and the chords are going to change just a little bit near the end when we start to repeat What a Wonderful Name. So this is what it sounds like slowly. What a wonderful name it is. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ my King. Wonderful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus. Into the instrumental. Alright, here is the instrumental, and this is the fun part because we get to play something exciting. We're going to incorporate the lead line that the keyboard usually plays in the original recording. We're going to incorporate that into our guitar playing. All of the tabs for this will be right here. I don't write it out like note for note, but I show you the shapes that I use, so just follow along with that. It'll sound something like this. That's the instrumental into the bridge. Here we are in the bridge. Coming out of that instrumental part, we back it off a lot, and you're going to see a whole bunch of different chord voicings here. So they'll all be, pointed the wrong way, they'll all be right here. So check them out as we go along, and I'll play the bridge slowly. It sounds like this. Death could not hold you, the veil tore before you, you silenced the boast of sin and grave. The heavens roaring, the praise of your glory, for you are raised to life again. You have no rival, you have no equal, now and forever, God, you reign. For yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. What a powerful name it is. Into the final chorus. Alright, I lied. This isn't the final chorus yet. We're going to sing it one more time, but this is the final loud chorus, so we're going to be playing standard chord shapes pretty much as loud as we can, and it sounds like this. What a powerful name it is. What a powerful name it is. In the name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a powerful name it is. Nothing can stand against. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. And then into the bridge one more time. Alright, final bridge. It's just like that last half of the bridge. Really loud again. Here's what it sounds like. You have no rival, you have no equal, now and forever, God, you reign. For yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. What a powerful name it is. And then into the final quiet chorus. Finally, into the last chorus, we're going to strip things down really far back here, and we're going to play sort of the chord shapes that we played at the beginning, so it will sound like this. What a powerful name it is. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a powerful name it is. Nothing can stand against. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus. Alright, congratulations, you have officially learned how to play the song What a Beautiful Name by Hillsong Worship. Once again, my name is Spencer Cormany from leadingworshipwell.com. I post practical worship leading tips every single day. If you want to find those tips, head over to Instagram or Facebook at leadingworshipwell. But thanks so much for joining me today. Make sure to subscribe down below so you don't miss out on future guitar tutorials just like this and a bunch of worship leading tips coming out 3 videos a week. So lots of stuff to catch up on. Thanks for joining me today. Until I see you next time, keep leading worship well.